I have a new product, YellaWood Protector Semi-Transparent Stain and Water Repellent Wood Seal Rich Walnut. It's a new product at HD. Some nice little safety clamps on the top here. It's made for a deck, but I'm going to try it on a piece of wood, and then I'm going to try to restain this cedar wood trim here. Been coated a couple times, keeps fading, so I want to go a little darker. I'm okay if it doesn't work out. I'll just power wash it off and put something else on. So the instructions are: prep the surface, remove any previous coating. This 1 gallon will cover 150 to 250 square feet of wood. Stir the stain thoroughly. To use and mix regularly during, do not thin. Pre-test a little bit was what I'm going to do. Should be applied in 2 thin coats. Second coat should be applied within 30 minutes of the first coat, above 55 degrees Fahrenheit, avoiding direct sunlight. It dries to the touch in 1 to 2 hours. It can be usable 6 to 8 hours, although they recommend 24. Use soap and water to clean up. Store it out of reach of children. Okay, let's look inside this. Okay, that looks gray. Let's see what happens after we stir it up. About 5 minutes later, I think I got it pretty well mixed. You have to really look closely. It says rich walnut. You see the color. You see the colors. That's a brown, probably lighter than I would have thought, but when you look online, it looks deep, rich, and brown, but so far, these are not. So we'll let them dry and put a second coat on. Got the second coat on. I mean, it's just not brown. It's not going to work for my case. It's probably a good stain sealant, but I need something browner. You can see there's a color here, and then you see the label, so you know which one is it. I guess I focused in on this color, even though that's still browner and this is gray. Okay, next day. Well, it sealed those pieces of wood pretty well, and went back and looked at it, and the one on the right, it does look like a walnut shell. You get a walnut, but it does not look like the color on the can, so lesson learned. I don't know if walnut, they say that is the shell or the tree, but in any case, it's not going to match my need. But I think the paint did a good job, sealer, and I'm going to do one more test and rinse this off, see if anything runs off of it. Oh, that's nice. Look at the water beating up. It's a good sealer. That's a good paint sealer. Nothing dripping, no running. Just need to get a different color.